Hello everyone. Welcome back to this AlightMotion series. Finally I am able to start my channel again. This time I'll upload tutorials for AlightMotion, After Effects and Blender. In this video, we'll discuss some basic color correction effect of AlightMotion, like how they work and how you can use them creatively. Let's start the video right after intro. Our first effect is brightness and contrast. This is very basic effect and found almost in every photo or video editing app. Brightness is a linear effect that just increase or decrease the brightness of image. Brightness increases the overall lightness of the image, for example, making dark colors lighter and light colors wider, while contrast adjusts the difference between the darkest and lightest colors. It darks the darkened part and bright the brighter part of the image. There is also a better option for this task called exposure, which we'll discuss in a moment. Our next effect is exposure. This is a very useful effect for color correction for video or photo that was under or overexposed. This effect has three parameters. Exposure adjusts the light in the image. Increasing or decreasing the exposure primarily affects the brighter parts of the layer. Gamma applies a gamma correction to the layer based on a power function. And offset makes all pixels in the layer brighter or darker by adding the offset value to the RGB values of the pixels. Let's see how we can use this effect. Add this effect to the image and start changing the value. In this example, we are fixing an underexposure image. Adjust gamma for mid-tone lighting and overall result, fine-tune gamma until the desired result is achieved. Adjust offset until the desired darkness is achieved in shadow area. The next effect is highlight and shadow. This effect controls the shadow and highlights parts individually. Highlight control only the brighter part of the image. And shadow controls the dark part of the image. Color temperature corrects the color of lighting in a photo or video. This effect is very useful for changing the mood of a scene or correcting for the wrong illumination or white balance. Hot color is a stylizing effect. When you apply it to an image, first it creates a blank and white copy of the image and then colorizes it based on the highlight and shadow. Hue controls the overall color and tints control the highlight color. Let's change the color of the fire to blue. First set the hue to blue and then set the tint to sky blue. And you're done. Now the fire is blue. In the next chapter, we'll discuss some more effects of color and light category. See you in the next video.